Good morning, children. I hope everybody is fine and safe at home. By the grace of God, God has added one more day in our life. Let us be thankful for that. And what God is telling you today is, this is the day what God has made for us. Let us rejoice in learning new lessons. Right, children? Shall we move on to the new poem? Okay. Children, today we are going to learn a new poem written by T.S. Eliot. It is taken from Unit 4, right? The Mystery Cat. What is the mystery cat name is? Macavity. You can see here, Macavity. The other name for Macavity is the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. So before moving on to the poem, we are going to learn in detail about the author, and then we will move on to the poem according to each stanza. Okay. Let us learn about the author. Thomas Stearns Eliot, an essayist, a critic, a playwright, and a pioneering poet of the 20th century. Okay. He attended Smith Academy in St. Louis and then Milton Academy, and he was graduated from Harvard University. Okay. Thomas Stearns Eliot is the full name for T.S. Eliot. Some of his popular poems include The Wasteland, Love Song, J. Alfred, Prufrock, Ash Wednesday, Four Quartets, Journey of Maggie, After Strange Gods, and Naming of Cats. He also received the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1948. This is all about the author. Okay. Before moving on to the poem, there are some of the glossary meanings which you have to learn. So important glossary meanings I have picked up and put up here in the screen. The remaining glossary meanings you can read it from your reader. Right, children? See, the first one is bafflement. That means total confusion. You can see here, total confusion. Next one is levitation, the action of rising and floating in air. Fakir, a holy person who lives on alms and has the power to levitate. Next one is a ginger, alert and cautious, not the ginger what we are putting for food, okay, cooking in the food. Ginger here is a name given for the cat also. Macavity is having another name, and it has been called as a ginger cat. You will be learning in the stanzas what I am going to teach now. Fiend is demon. Okay. This is also a name given for Macavity. Depravity. Depravity is an evil quality. It is a very often repeated word in this poem. Ladder, cupboard for storing food. Rifle, ransack to steal. A Pekingese dog. It is a dog breed. And suavity, confidence and sophistication. This is all about the glossaries. Okay, let us move on to the poem now. I am going to teach you the poem, and I am going to read the poem once for you, and I am going to explain according to each stanza. Okay, listen to my reading. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. See, Macavity here, it is called as a hidden paw. Hidden paw, you know about how cat's paw will be, right? You can see here the picture. It is very soft, and when the cat moves anywhere else inside the house or on the street or on the roadside, it will not be able to identify. So hidden paw is a nickname given to Macavity. For he is the master criminal. He is considered here as a criminal who can defy the law. Defy means what? To resist or to challenge. Okay, the meaning for defy is to resist or to challenge. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad, despair. See, the flying squad, the Scotland, that is the headquarters of London Metropolitan Police Service, okay? And the flying squad here is a police force ready to plunge into action. So there were the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squad is searching for this Macavity. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So it will always commit any crime or any mistakes, but the cat will not be there. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. What the author trying to tell in the second stanza of this poem is, Macavity breaks every human law. Okay, it will not listen to any laws, and it breaks the law of gravity also. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. See, levitation, the meaning for levitation is the action of rising and floating the air. You have it in your glossaries, okay? And fakir is a holy person who lives on alms and has the power to levitate. Okay, so this Macavity is just breaking the laws and it is committing crime. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. If at all the squad wants to catch this cat, the Macavity will not be in the scene at all. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is ginger cat. Here he is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. So here the author is explaining about the description about the cat. How the cat will be? It will be very tall and thin. And the nickname and the name is given here for Macavity is a ginger cat. He is considered here as a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. So the appearance of Macavity is you cannot see, that is, you may seek him in basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So whether it is up or down or wherever it is, you cannot search this cat. The cat will not be there, and it is being called as the name is given for him. The cat is a ginger cat. Okay, and the cat is having a sunken eyes, and it is very tall and thin. The appearance of the cat is described here. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly doomed, his coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, he sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Here also the characters, the appearance of Macavity is described here. The Macavity is a dirty and dusty cat which has been neglected by everyone. His whiskers are uncombed. Okay, the whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head side to side like a snake, with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. You cannot expect the cat is always sleeping, but it is always awake. He is always wide awake. He is not asleep. Okay, so this is the appearance of the cat. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend and feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in the by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime discovered, then Macavity is not there. So again, the author is explaining about Macavity here. There is no one like Macavity. The special importance is given for the mystery cat Macavity, for he is the fiend. What is the meaning for fiend? Is a demon, okay, and feline is a cat. The meaning for fiend is demon and feline is a cat. So the cat is shaped like a demon, that is, it looks like a monster of depravity. Depravity means evil quality. Here the cat is being the author is specifying the cat here as a monster cat, and it is having a evil quality, and it is being defined as a demon here. Okay, you may meet him in the by street, you may see him in the square. Square is the area where the cat will be staying. You can see on the street corner, and you can see him on the square, where whichever place it has been seated. But you cannot, that is when a crime is discovered. Macavity, the cat, sometimes it will do some mischievous things, and after doing the mischievous things, it will not be seen in the scene at all. So when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats and cards, and his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. And when the ladder is looted, or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or other peckies are being stifled. See, here the author is trying to tell here, his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. The police are searching for this Macavity, but the footprints, they cannot find out where Macavity is. You can see the picture over here. And when the ladders are looted, the jewel case is refled, or when the milk is missing, what the cat will do? Always when it enters, it will just drink the milk, it will put everything else down. Okay, everything is missing there. The cat is a cheater, and it has been considered as, they say, he cheats at cards. So outwardly it is respectable, but inwardly it is not a good cat, right? So it always does all the criminal things, and it has not been seen in the scene at all. Or the greenhouse glass is broken. What are the activities the Macavity is doing here is, it will break the greenhouse glass, and the trellis past repair. There is the wonder of the thing, Macavity is not there. And when the Foreign Office find a treatise gone astray, or the Admiralty lose some plans and drawings by the way. So the Macavity is totally disappearing from the scene after committing the crime. Okay. There may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it's useless to investigate. Macavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. So whenever there is a loss, or whenever things are missing at house or any place, whenever the crime has been committed there, the Secret Service, they will just tell that it is the work of Macavity. But they will say the word, they will utter the word, but he is mile away means it is not been seen at all. It is far away from the place where it has committed the mistakes or crime. Okay. And even though if they investigate, it is useless. What the author is telling here, it is useless to investigate Macavity because it will not be seen there. You will be sure to find him resting or licking off his thumbs, or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. See, the poem, the poet is concluding the poem telling that there is no one like Macavity. Suavity means confidence. Okay. Deceitfulness here means cunningness. The cat is very cunning in committing all type of mischievous things, but it is not at all getting caught by the police or anybody else, the squad. Okay. But it is a cunning cat. It is having a confidence and sophistication, whereas it is not being found out by any of the people who are searching for this cat. Okay. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare, and whatever time the deed took place, Macavity wasn't there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known, I might mention Mungo Jerry, I might mention Griddlebone. These are the two characters. Alibi here, alibi, the meaning of alibi is a claim of evidence that one was elsewhere when a crime was committed. Okay. And Mungo Jerry and Griddlebone, these are the two fictional characters specialized in petty theft. Okay, so here Eliot is just bringing out those two fictional characters, and he is referring to Macavity, who is committing the theft or doing mischievous things, committing crime over here, right? Are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operation, the Napoleon of crime. Here the cat is being compared to the Napoleon of crime. Okay, because Napoleon of crime here means one who controls, that is the commanding leader of the criminals, one who controls the operation, right? Here the cat is compared to Mungo Jerry, the two fictional character, Griddlebone, and also it is being called as a Napoleon of crime because it is the commanding leader for all criminals. Okay, it will join with the other cats and it will commit all criminal things or mistakes or mischievous things. Okay, now let us move on to the recapitulation of the children poem. Now let us move on to the recapitulation of this poem Macavity. Okay, see there, Macavity is a mystery cat which is known by hidden paw because he is a master criminal and disobey the law. He is the confusion of Scotland Yard and pain of the flying squad. There is no one like Macavity as he has broken every human law as well as the law of gravity. These are the points you have already learned in the explanation of the poem. After committing a crime, he vanishes away. So when anybody reaches the scene of crime, he will not be able to find him. The author is giving more explanation on this. He make him to look like a villain. No one is like Macavity as he is an evil spirit in cat's shape. He is a monster of depravity. He is considered as a monster in this poem. Macavity is respected by people because some say that he cheats a way that no one can discover. Then he is giving further information that when the Admiralty, that is when the police lose some papers or which plans to catch Macavity, the Macavity is not being found in the scene. It is really missing. It is useless to investigate as Macavity vanishes away. What the author is trying to tell here, we cannot investigate and find out Macavity. The poet tells that he does not commit crimes alone. He always has some companions who accompany him in committing crime. Okay. What is the next point he's telling? The companions are the Mungo Jerry and Griddlebone. I already told they are the two fictional characters mentioned in this poem. They are just agents for the cat who control operations of the Napoleon of crime. I said he is a leader for the criminals. So the cat has been given different names and comparisons like Mungo Jerry, Griddlebone and Napoleon of crime. I hope children you have understood this poem, and I want you to go through the poem. When you are free, you can read the poem, learn the glossary meanings and learn the book back questions, whatever is relevant to this poem taught. Okay children, thank you. Children, I hope that you have enjoyed this poem, learning about Macavity, the mystery cat. Children, after this, follow the instruction whatever is given in the class. Try to attempt Kahoot, play Kahoot. Okay, complete Kahoot on the given time, and also learn the poetry based understanding questions, whatever is given in your reader. Thank you children. Meet you all in the next class.